In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add unsubscribe in Sendgrid. The unsubscribe link is an important part of email compliance and best practices. It helps your recipients control what they receive, and it reduces the chance that people mark your messages as spam. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the exact steps to add an unsubscribe tag into a Sendgrid email. First, click Marketing. On your screen, you should see a navigation area with different sections of your Sendgrid account. Selecting Marketing is the quickest way to reach the tools where you can manage email content for sending campaigns and single sends. Next, click Single Sends. This is where you can open an existing message template or start working on a new email. Taking this step ensures you are in the right area for editing the message that you want to send. Now you will open or create an email. If you already have an email draft, choose it so you can edit it. If you are creating a new one, you will follow the prompts to set up the email so you can then insert the unsubscribe element. At this point, make sure the email editor is open and visible, because the unsubscribe tag must be added into the message body. After the email is open, click Build. The Build option typically takes you to the editing workspace, where you can construct the email layout and insert dynamic tags. This is the stage where you have access to the components you need to make your email functional, including special tags. Once you are in the Build view, drag the unsubscribe tag into the email. Look for a tag or component area that contains the unsubscribe tag. Then, place it in the appropriate part of your email, usually near the footer or wherever you want recipients to find it. You may want to make sure it appears as a link or text that will render correctly when the email is sent. As you drag it, pay attention to the placement. Dropping it in the right location helps keep your email organized and makes it clear to recipients how to unsubscribe. It is also helpful for your design because the unsubscribe area is often shown as a standard line in the bottom section of the message. After placing the unsubscribe tag, click Save. Saving is necessary to make sure your changes are stored. Without saving, your unsubscribe tag might not be included when you send the email, which would defeat the purpose of the update. Finally, once you click Save, you can double-check that the unsubscribe element is visible where you placed it. Confirm that the email editor reflects the new tag in the content. This quick review is a good habit because it prevents surprises later when you run the send. That completes the process. You navigated to the right part of Sendgrid, opened or created your email, entered the Build editor, inserted the unsubscribe tag, and saved your changes. That covers everything you need to know.